This is a tutorial video on how to use an Adobe Premiere Rush. An Adobe Premiere Rush is a free video editing app for both Android and iOS. When you open the app, you'll need to create an account or sign in using Facebook, Google account, or Apple ID. Once you sign in, you'll see this pop-up that asks for your permission, allowing Rush to access your media. Just click Allow so we can use the media from our phone. The next pop-up is a small welcoming pop-up. Click Let's Go to use the app. Rush will automatically show what media you have on your phone. You can select photo or video. However, if you click the arrow in the top left corner, there are many places you can import your media from. I will use a video I have on my phone. Select any media that you want to bring in. At the bottom, you can change the name of your project. I'll call this A Day at the Zoo. Then click Create It. Let's take a look at the editing page. This is a preview of your video. This is a timeline where all your media will be edited. At the bottom of the preview is where you click play to watch your video. You can go frame by frame. Or go to the end of the clip by clicking here. This makes it easier for you to maneuver your clip. Now let's use the timeline. Click any media you want to select. Hold the video or any media to open more options. Use two fingers to zoom in or zoom out of your timeline. Hold and drag the edge of the video to shorten or expand. If you make any mistake, let's say I accidentally delete this video, I can undo them by clicking the arrow at the top right corner. Here at the bottom are some of the functions you can use. You can use a plus icon in a blue circle to add any more media. The storage box icon is to show all your content in the project asset. The icon with one horizontal line and three dashes is to turn on or turn off the timeline track. You can lock the track using the lock icon, mute the track using the speaker icon, or hide the video using an eye icon. Let's look at the next icon at the bottom. The icon with two phones is to change your video ratio or size. Different ratios are used for different platforms. I'll use 1:1 ratio for the Instagram square post. Now let's slide the two tabs to the left. Some of these two are for editing the media on your timeline. The scissor is to split the video. Drag the timeline bar to where you want to split your video. Click the scissor to split your video. The two paper icon with the plus sign on the top is to duplicate any video you highlighted. For example, if I click this video and click this icon, it will automatically duplicate the video that I clicked. The bin symbol is to delete the media. Click the media that you want to delete and then click the bin. The icon with two rectangles on top of each other with a small arrow is to expand the audio track under your video which make it easier for you to see the audio wave. The cursor is for selecting multiple media at once. Click the cursor and click the media that you want to select it. Now let's go toward the exciting part. The graphic, which basically means the text in your video, is used for adding any title, transition graphic, or overlay. Click Add Graphic. Notice that there are star symbols on some of the corner of the graphic. Those are included in the premium subscription. Click More to see more of the graphic that they have. As you can see, there are many graphics that you can choose from. I'll use this title. Click Add to add the title to your video. You can hold the title and move around the timeline, just like your media. You can change your text by clicking the text at the video. I'll change it to A Day of the Zoo. You can change your font, change the font style, change the font size, and many more. You can even change the color. I'll stick with white this time. Next to the graphic are the effects. The effects consist of the transition or motion effect. You can move your timeline to where you want to place your effect and click it. The effect will automatically add to your video, as you can see when you zoom into your timeline. Color is a ready-made filter you want to add to the video. You can add cool, cinematic, or brightly. You can change your intensity, change your exposure. There's many controls that you can choose from. Speed is to speed up or slow down the video. Audio is for editing any audio in that media that you selected. You can change the volume, mute the clip, or you can even add music from here. There are many music, soundtrack, sound effects that you can choose from Adobe Premiere Rush. And lastly, transform is for transforming the video itself, changing size, rotation, scale, opacity. If you decided that you're ready to export a video, click the share symbol on the top right corner next to the arrow. Click the quality setting to change any preset. I'll do automatically. When you're ready, click export. Once you're done, you can share this video on social media. And that's all for the basic of Adobe Premiere Rush. Thanks for watching.